Don't touch me. Hey guys, just got out of third hour gym. Walking into fourth hour social studies now. This is my favorite class with Mr. Erlenbeck. I'm vlogging right now.
What?
This is my favorite class with Mr. Erlenbeck.
Is there a comma in there? 'Cause that could be.
I'm vlogging.
He said, "This is my favorite class," and I have Sam Sonnenfeld in.
Like I'm video logging.
Video what?
Video logging. It's like a blog, but it's a vlog video.
Where are you pushing video from?
My little camera.
Hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Sam, what's your YouTube channel? What?
Cap. Hey guys, just checking in again. Heading to lunch now. Don't know what I have for lunch, and these halls are pretty chaotic. If you haven't caught on to that yet, let me just sit you down real quick. This part of my school day isn't very exciting. Just in case you're wondering. But that's about it. It's vlogging. See, I got friends. And this is my buddy AJ. How you doing, AJ?
Pretty good.
Good. Smell you? Hey guys, just searching through Myers right now for a new vlogging camera, or just kind of camera in general. Because I mean, obviously what I'm filming on right now doesn't pick up great audio or anything, and it's not the best at filming. Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. Today's been a pretty eventful day, actually. I mean, I haven't really done much, but I mean, I had school. Now I'm gonna have to do some homework. Tomorrow I'm not going to school, and I mean, it's been a good day all in all. I have some homework to do. It's about 6 o'clock right now, so I'll do my homework, get done about 7:30, and then just probably watch some YouTube or something. I'll edit this video and upload it, and then hit. Yeah, the day's been good, and well, all I've really done is gone to school and then done my homework. That's about it. Right now I'm in a parking lot, and my dad just picked up my dry cleaning, and I mean, just kind of chilling in here. Figure I'd get some footage while I'm sitting in here. So, I just had you guys on the outlet of the car window. It's lit. It's lit. It's lit.